Hello, good people. Welcome to my platform. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's your first time to reach this platform. Also, you can also visit my other social media platforms, TikTok and also Facebook, right? So we are given this beautiful question on the whiteboard, all right? Then from this good question you are given, we are asked to solve the equation 2x is equals to 7 root x minus 3. Right, whenever you manage to reach that, or whenever you manage to reach a question related to this condition, then you ask it to solve. For you to make it easy, you have to apply the way we manage to use whenever we are solving equations which require the application of disguising equations. All right. So let me just write the solution. So for the solution here, we are given 2x is equals to 7 root x minus 3. Right. So first of all, for us to solve this, let me just write down the question is equals to 7 root x minus 3. Let me just remove this square root. This becomes 2x is equals to 7. Remember, there is inner relationship between the square root and the power half, right? Whenever, just remember this. Then you ask it to remove this. You just square, right? You just square, or you can just apply this. This one is same applies to this. Right, so according to this question, square root of x, I have to apply this condition. So now saying x to the power a half is negative minus 3. Same applies to this. So this becomes 2. Remember, x is representing x to the power 1, right? Minus 7x to the power half minus 3. So from there, this becomes 2. X to the power 1 is same applies to this. Is same applies to this. X to the power half. X to the power half. Remember, we applying the laws of indices. X times x, the bases are similar, and during multiplication, we add the powers. We should maintain this. Minus 7. Let me just do this full stop representing multiplication. To the power half minus 3. So by the way, this one is just a repetition. It's just a repetition. I can just write it in this form. 2 dot x to the power half, everything to the power 2. Right? Just remember, power to power multiply is to get 1. Minus 7 x to the power half minus 3. So according to this, applying disguising equations, let me just say, let y be x to the power half. So every condition where there is x to the power half, I have to put y. This becomes 2 dot, instead of x to the power half, I have to write a y to the power 2 minus 7. Here I have to put y for this. So we are dealing with subtraction here. So it's equals here. So it's equals here. Same applies to this. right? So this becomes minus 3. So this gives us 2y squared is equal to 7y minus 3. Let me just produce a certain quadratic of this form so that it will be easier for me to solve in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. Let me just formulate that equation here. So this becomes 2y squared minus 7y plus 3 is equals to 0. So let me just solve this in order to find the value of y. So to solve this, I now we have 2y squared minus 7y plus 3 is equal to a 0. Solving this, application of quadratic equations, ordinary level, doing this. The product of this, I still get 6y squared. I have to find two possible factors of positive 6. If adding them or subtracting them, I still get a negative 7. So here are the factors of 6. It's 6 and 1. All right. For me to get a negative 7 here, so meaning to say, and getting a positive is multiplication. The only way to get a positive here is to do this. If multiplication here, all of this, that's for me to get a negative here, to get a positive here. If I multiply this, I get a positive 6. But if I add this, I no longer get this. So I have to use this. So this becomes 2y squared, eliminating this becomes 6y minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. 2, the common between the 2 is 2y. This becomes a y minus 3. Then for this condition, same side to this, I have to get y minus 3. Then for me to get a negative here, I have positive. So I have to factor out something with a negative, so that if say negative times negative, I get positive here. So I have to say negative 1. That's what is common. Is equals to 0. So now y minus 3, 2y minus 1 is still equal to 0. So finding the possible value of y, so y is equals to 3, or finding y here, you just equate y minus 3 is equal to 0. You get this. 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So it becomes y equals to this. This becomes a half. We are not yet done because we asked you to solve the equation involving the x values. So basically from there, I have to check where there is let y is equals to x to the power half. So y is equals to x to the power half. So where there is y, I have to put 3. So I have to say x to the power half is equals to 3, or x to the power half is equals to half, because I have two possible values of y. So x to the power half is equals to 3. For me to eliminate this power, of x, but I want to find the value of x. For me to eliminate this, I have to multiply by the inverse of this power. The inverse of half is 2 over 1. So 2 over 1. So I have to put power 2 here. So this will cancel this. So x is equals to 3 squared. I get a 9. Or the inverse of this multiplied by 2 over 1, that's the inverse of half. 2 over 1, that's the inverse of half, is equals to half to the power of 2 over 1 is to get 2. So I have to square this. So x is equals to, if I square this, 1 squared I still get 1, 2 squared I still get 4. So basically, here are the solution for solving such type of disguising equation. So most of you is your first time to meet such type of question. So please let's subscribe and follow my all social media platforms: TikTok, Facebook, and also YouTube. You can also comment with your topic so that I can just come through and work out on such concept-based topic you might write. Then you know each and every procedure whenever dealing with mathematical concepts. All right. So uh, this is how to deal with what you call disguising equations. So just enjoy the lesson, and don't forget to do your subscription on Facebook, TikTok, and also YouTube. So thank you so much.